Hi guys, in front of me is Realme C55 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So at first unroll the list of all apps and go to settings. Now find and select passwords and security and click on fingerprint. Tap on agree, click on continue, and at first you need to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be numeric, alphanumeric or pattern. I would like to pick pattern. It's the easiest way, also the smoothest. Just click on continue and now provide the pattern that you wish to apply. Enter it twice just to confirm, and as you can see, your fingerprint sensor is located on power button, so all you have to do is to place your fingerprint here, as this is the sensor, and smoothly keep tap until your fingerprint is fully added. And that's it, just tap on done, and as you can see, from now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.